Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money by watching ads. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you looking for ways to earn extra cash? Well, you're in luck. Ad watching is a process where companies pay people to watch ads and provide feedback on them. In this video, we'll discuss how ad watching works and the pros and cons of making money this way. First, let's talk about what ad watching is. Ad watching is a process of making money by viewing advertisements, such as videos, pop-ups or banners. The viewer is typically compensated for their time spent watching the ad. How does ad watching work? Advertisers pay the website or app owner to host their ads. When you view these ads, the website or app owner earns a commission. They share a portion of this commission with you, the viewer, as an incentive to watch the ad. Now, let's talk about the earning potential of ad watching. The amount of money you can make by watching ads depends on several factors such as the length of the ad, number of ads watched per day, and payout rate offered by the website or app. For example, if you watch 10 30-second ads per day that pay 1 cent each, you would earn 10 cents per day. To get paid to watch ads, all you need is a computer or mobile device with an internet connection and an account with a paid to watch ads service. Once you have watched an ad, the service will credit your account with a certain amount of money, which can be withdrawn to your PayPal account or used to purchase gift cards from popular retailers. However, like with anything else on the internet, there are always some risks associated with using paid to watch ad services. It's important to only use reputable services and never click on any links in emails or messages from unknown senders. Next, let's talk about the pros and cons of making money by watching ads. One of the pros is that it's an easy way to make money. All you need to do is watch the ad and click on the link provided. Additionally, some people have reported making over $100 a day just by watching ads. On the other hand, one of the cons is that it can be time-consuming. You may have to watch a lot of ads before finding one that pays well. Additionally, some companies require you to view the ad for a certain amount of time before you get paid. So you could end up wasting a lot of time if the ad is not interesting. So, ad watching can be a great way to earn some extra cash, but it's important to do your research before signing up for any ad watching program. Be aware of the earning potential, the requirements, and the risks. Remember, ad watching is not going to make you rich, but it can be a good source of extra income if you're consistent and choose reputable programs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on the Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online.